dear friend, you are not going to miss out on important. You will save your blood, your money, your time, and won't go through unnecessary pain. Don't compromise quality over distance. This is something which you really need to plan. So, dear friend, you are not going to miss out on something important. It is actually unimportant, and you will save your blood, your money, your time, and won't go through unnecessary pain. So, traveling, I think, make sure that the clinic which you are choosing does both FUT and FUE. Make sure that the clinic which you are choosing gives you proper information about the role of medication and gives you choice to opt for microdosing or something. You can even avoid the medicine in some cases. For your friend, we are not giving medicine. So not everyone needs medicine, but it doesn't mean that in every patient we can do surgery without the medicine also. But at least you should have the power to choose. And please don't compromise quality over distance. This is something which you really need to plan, and it will have a long-term implications on your health, your donor, and the chances to sustain these hair for long. With that, I sum up. Thank you.